Dear Manipur YouTube channel as being biriba mayam pum nung po amuka nataram noksari Ngasigi Leibak Thiba Thoudokta Kuki ahum Leikhidre AWABA FONGDOKCHARI Leiram lenda AWABA yaudana nungaina leiroko athopa Kuki ahum haina sumna FONGDOK Leikhidre musing adudi Saturniyo Tuboy of K Ponlen Ngamilun lahubam of K Ponlen and the Ngamilun Kipgen of Langkinchai Village Secretary Thadau Artist Association ni Thoudok asi Ireng Village and the Karam VAIPHEI Village ta Thokibani Thoudokta Leikhidre hainasu panbiri aduga Committee on Tribe and Unity Kotu Media Cell dagi thadorokpa update amakhaktang ai pathoksarake press condemnation. The repeated attacks on the Kukizo village by the state-sponsored terrorists from the valley continues unabated. In the latest of such attack between Ireng village and the Karam VAIPHEI, 3 innocent villagers of Kangsup area were killed this morning. The deceased persons are Saturniyo Tuboy of K Pongleng, Ngamilun Lahobam of K Ponlen and the Ngamilun Kipgen of Langkinchai Village Secretary Thadau Artist Association. Such cold-blooded murder of the innocent Kukizo villagers will not be tolerated, and befitting action will be taken against stray Meitei terrorists trespassing into the hills. The impersonation of state police and the commandos by the separatist Meitei terrorists have totally sufficed the complicity of the state governance. What kind of a government would allow such nefarious and bloodthirsty element to carry our attacks and arson in broad daylight under its own nose? The whole program initiated by the state leadership needs no further introduction and the elaborations. If the Union Home Ministry is sincere in its appeal for normalcy, then it must be immediately declare all VAIPHEI district as disturbed area under AFSPA, failing which it will be considered as an inaction from the Union Home Ministry to provide leeway for the wiping out campaign initiated by the state autocratic leadership, and we will be left with no choice but to retaliate in full scale and the might. Kotu Mediana Thadorokpa Cherolni Committee on Tribal Unity Kotu Media Cell Sadar Hills Kangpokpi District Administrative Office Kangpokpi District Headquarter Email kotu@gmail.com. Howzik Thadorokpa 12/9/2023 Thadorokpa press condemnation statement ni video se yung bibagi tamakta mayam punong po amukah na thagachari ano update kita makta Dear Manipur YouTube channel asibu mayam nang sibido na subscribe to video mo. Thank you so much.